Our planet teems with life, from invisible microbes that thrive in a single drop of water to the massive blue whales gliding through the vast oceans. Life exists in forms both familiar and astonishing, filling every corner of the Earth with energy and diversity. The biosphere is a thin, vibrant layer that wraps around our planet, where life has evolved and flourished for billions of years. Every habitat, from the dense rainforest bursting with color to the mysterious depths of the oceans, plays a crucial role in supporting this incredible diversity. Each environment hosts unique communities of living things, from animals and plants to fungi and microscopic organisms. Every species is specially adapted to survive in its own way, using remarkable strategies to find food, reproduce, and cope with challenges. Understanding biology means exploring the intricate connections that link us to every other living creature on Earth. These relationships shape ecosystems, influence our daily lives, and reveal the delicate balance that sustains life. But what exactly is life? How do we recognize it, and what makes something truly alive? These questions have fascinated scientists and thinkers for centuries. For example, how do we distinguish a living tree, growing and changing with the seasons, from a lifeless rock that remains unchanged for millennia? What are the essential qualities that set living things apart from non-living matter? To answer these questions, we must explore the fundamental characteristics that define all living things, features that unite every organism, from the simplest bacteria to the most complex animals, in the grand story of life on Earth. Life is a continuous process, unfolding every moment all around us. From the smallest microbe to the tallest tree, life is a phenomenon that connects every living thing on Earth. It is a journey of constant change, growth, and renewal, shaping the world in ways both visible and hidden. What truly separates living organisms from inanimate objects is their ability to respond to their environment, to grow, and to reproduce. Unlike a rock, a living thing can sense changes, heal itself, and even move or adapt when needed. All living things, no matter how simple or complex, are made of cells, the basic building blocks of life. These tiny units are like miniature factories, carrying out the essential processes that keep organisms alive. Some forms of life, like bacteria, exist as single cells, carrying out all the functions of life within one microscopic package. Others, such as trees, animals, and humans, are made of trillions of cells, each with specialized roles, working together in harmony to form complex organisms. Within every cell, intricate processes like metabolism convert energy and nutrients into the fuel needed for growth, movement, and repair. This constant flow of energy is what powers life and keeps it going. To be alive is to be a self-sustaining system, capable of evolving and adapting over generations. Through evolution, living things develop new traits, allowing them to survive in changing environments. Living things maintain their structure, reproduce to create new life, and change over time, passing on their genetic information to the next generation. This remarkable ability to evolve and adapt has led to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains and everywhere in between. Life is defined by this ongoing process of adaptation, survival, and transformation, a never-ending story that continues to unfold with every new generation. Biologists use key characteristics, life processes, to identify living things in the natural world. All living things grow, guided by genetic instructions within their cells, shaping their development. They reproduce, ensuring the ongoing survival of their species for future generations. Living things respond to their environment, seeking food, avoiding danger, and adapting to change as needed. Essential processes like nutrition, excretion, and respiration keep organisms alive and functioning. Movement, whether obvious or subtle, is another important sign of life. These 7 processes, growth, reproduction, sensitivity, nutrition, excretion, respiration, and movement, help us distinguish the living from the non-living. Together, they form a reliable checklist for identifying life in all its forms. Our world is a fascinating mix of living organisms and non-living things. Living things, like dogs, trees, and mushrooms, grow, reproduce, and respond to their environment in unique ways. Non-living things, such as rocks and rivers, lack these characteristics and are shaped by external forces around them. Life depends on the non-living world for essential resources like water, air, and minerals. Sometimes the line blurs, crystals grow, fires consume fuel, and viruses challenge our definitions of life. But by applying the checklist of life's characteristics, we can usually tell the difference between them. The living world is defined by these special and important rules. Studying the living world is vital for our health and survival. Every day, our lives are shaped by the intricate web of life that surrounds us, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Understanding how living things interact and adapt helps us make better choices for ourselves and future generations. Medicine, agriculture, and environmental protection all rely on understanding biology. Breakthroughs in science and technology often begin with a deeper knowledge of how life works, leading to healthier communities and a more sustainable world. Healthy ecosystems provide food, clean air, and water, supporting civilization itself. When we protect nature, we also protect the resources that keep us alive and thriving. Exploring life connects us to nature, inspiring wonder and improving our well-being. It encourages curiosity, creativity, and a sense of responsibility for the world we share. All living things share core traits: cellular structure, growth, reproduction, response, and metabolism. These fundamental processes unite every organism, from the tiniest microbe to the largest animal, revealing the remarkable diversity and unity of life. By studying life, we unlock secrets that help us cure diseases, protect the planet, and enrich our lives. Each discovery brings new hope and possibilities for a better future. The story of life is our story, and understanding it is essential to our future. By learning about the living world, we empower ourselves to make choices that benefit all life on Earth.